Hi everyone, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today, as part of the hashtag Freezer Meals 23 collaboration that's being hosted by C&C Farm, we're going to make a delicious cranberry oatmeal cookie that's freeze and bake. Let's get started. These cookies are perfect for making ahead and storing in the freezer until you're ready to enjoy them. They're soft, chewy, and full of cranberries and oats. So our first step is 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. To that we want to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We want to whisk that all together and we're going to set it aside for the moment. Now in a separate bowl, we want to cream together 2 sticks or 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light or dark brown sugar, and mix it until it's light and fluffy. That's going to take about 5 minutes. Now we want to add 1 large egg and beat it until well combined. Next, we'll add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and again beat it until everything's well combined. Now we're going to take that bowl we set aside of the dry ingredients and add it to the wet. We're going to mix it all together until everything is well distributed, and finally fold in the cranberries. The dough is extremely stiff, so be sure and put a little elbow grease behind it. Now, in order to freeze the dough, we want to scoop out the dough onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat by heaping tablespoons. They can be close together but not touching because they're being frozen, not baked, so they're not going to spread at this point. It takes about 30 minutes or to a couple of hours to be completely firm. Then you want to transfer them into an airtight freezer container or bag, and they'll keep up to 4 months. When you're ready to enjoy them, the frozen cookies can be baked straight from the freezer in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes for chewy cookies or 14 to 15 minutes for crispy chewies. Now alternatively, the cookie dough can be refrigerated for several days before you bake them, and it can be kept in the freezer for up to 4 months. And that's the recipe for today. Be sure to visit C&C Farm for the entire playlist of freezer meals submitted by lots of other talented creators. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Down below will be a link to print out the recipe, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for another video next Monday. And until then, have fun in the kitchen.